Making this video because I couldn't find anything on the internet teaching people about this problem that Apple has with their stupid cords. You see this little black smudge there? Well, it's a buildup that happens on all the phones after using it over and over. I actually have it on both sides. Look at that. So I went to the Apple store, and this one guy who worked there told me I don't need to buy a new $40 charger, that I could just clean that off with a razor blade. So I'm trying this for the first time. Let me show you guys what happens when I plug it in. Sometimes when I wiggle it, it would start to charge. Oh, there it goes. It goes. Now it's not charging, but when I move it around, it starts to catch the charge. But anyways, get to the point. All right, got the black smudge there, and I was gonna buy a new charger because I couldn't take it no more. Razor blade. He said take a razor blade and scuff it up. And once I scuff it up, he said just keep riding it over about 20, 30 times. Let me see how this works. Cleaned up all my prongs, doing both sides. He also told me about another tip I'm going to show you guys real quick when I'm done. He said I had a lot of lint stuck in my charging port on my phone. Alright, trying to clean this up best I could. Shine it all up. Oh yeah, there it goes. It's turning gold. All I see is gold now. Alright, let's try this now. Plug this sucker in. Blow it all off. Look at that, charging. I hope it does it every time. Let me see what happens. Put it in now. Oh yeah. I'll try both sides though. 3 times, wiggling around, got nothing. He's right. I would have wasted 40 bucks on this charger, so. Alright, so that's working good. Then he also said, when my charging port is inserted all the way, I'm pushing it in as hard as I could right now, but you can see, let me flip it over for you guys right here. Alright. You see that little bit of a gap right there? He said that shouldn't be there, and I got lint stuck in there. Give me a second. He told me to take a pin. If I can find my pin right here. And try to clean inside of my port. What I've done is bent a pin right here on the tip. You see that, how it's bent? And we're gonna hook inside of here and pull out all the lint that's stuck in there, pocket lint. I got this tack here that's causing my phone not to get inserted all the way, and I'm pulling all this lint out. Look at that pocket. What the heck was that? Alright, so I got a ball of pocket lint out of my phone. So now let's see if I plug my phone in. Oh yeah, it's flush now, and you can hear it, like it's touching. I can't fit a razor blade in between there. So hopefully this video helps you out how to make your iPhone charge in the port, and also cleaning your charging port, charger, so you don't have to buy a new charger. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.